Good morning, day 2, exploring Skardu. Let's see what we will discover today. We are heading today to the Manthokha Waterfall, which is located in the Kamang Valley, about 50 miles or 80 kilometers from Skardu. It takes about 90 minutes to drive to Manthokha Waterfall along the Indus River. There are many points to stop where you can spot the nature of the area. In the winter, all this area is covered with snow. The Indus River is about 3,180 kilometers long and mouths into the Arabian Sea close to Karachi. Even though farming is very hard in this climate, most people live off farming in the area. Traditional cultivation of barley, millet, and buckwheat is practiced. Livestock farming consists of goats, sheep, chicken, and yaks. Wow, wonderful. Look at this. The Manthokha Waterfall is located in the Kamang Valley. It's located about 50 miles or 80 kilometers from Skardu. The waterfall has a height of about 55 meters or 180 feet. It is set in the green pastures with streams surrounded by the Karakum Mountains. Oops, once again a very shaky bridge. Crystal clear, ice cold water. Super refreshing, but too cold for me. Look at them. Nice. I guess they're used to it. The water's super cold. Well done, boys.
What is this? It's cycling?
Husayf and the boys want to take the bike over the water, so let's check it out. Hey Cheyenne, wow, that's fun. Now Husayfa. Hey, he looks scared. And last but not least, Ayan. The boys have so much fun here. We had to stop. It's too nice to just drive by. This area is simply beautiful and breathtaking. You see the snow cap on top of the mountain? Nice. So after this refreshing waterfall, we are now heading to the cold desert along the stunning Indus River. Now we're arriving at Shiga, land of the K2. The cold desert offers paragliding, horse riding, camel riding, ATV and motorcycle rides, and a desert tour. You can drive on ATVs, you can do paragliding. We decided to ride the ATV and doing the desert tour. Jeep Desert Tour. Shiga has the cold desert, and you can also do a nice desert tour, the same as you know from Dubai, you can do here in Pakistan in the northern areas in Shiga. I'm in the district Sarfaranga here in the cold desert. Look at this amazing view. You have the amazing mountains here. They're all like over 6,000 meters high, close to 8,000 meters, all around here. You have this desert. We just made a desert tour with this Jeep. Look at this. This is the Jeep. It was really scary. Those are some locals sitting in the sand. Wow. What else can you ask for? Amazing. This amazing view is very close. It's only like half an hour, 1 hour from Skardu. Skardu in North Pakistan. Just come to Pakistan, check out this beautiful, most beautiful area in the world here in Pakistan. Okay, this is what you can do here in the desert. You can do this sandboarding. I did this before, broke my leg. I don't do this ever again in my life, but it looks like fun. Look at this. Yee-hoo! But the bad thing is, you go down there, which is really nice, but you have to walk up again, which is the most annoying part of it. Wait, okay, let's go. Come on. Yay!
Are you ready?
Start.
1, 2, 3, go.
Saving Huzaifa, who's stuck at the mountain. Look at this. We have to help him. Come on.
Rescue me.
Every day to the gym and you cannot walk up a hill.
I need to delete this video. Oh yes, I survived. Finally.
Yay! That was fun. Now watch. Yalla. Hold on.
Oh, that is super nice.
Okay, wait. It is so much fun here. It's a true family experience. So that was day 2 in Skardu. It was again so much fun. Let me know what you think in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Looking forward to day 3. Stay tuned.